Shasta County Office of Education operates 3 unique schools. The first being Excel Academy, a K-8 school that serves students with an individual education plan and really focuses on behavior supports in the classroom for successful transitions back to their district programs. We also have the wonderful opportunity to provide education in our juvenile rehabilitation facility, and that Juvenile Court School serves students who have been impacted by incarceration. And so there we are really focusing on academic recovery and acceleration by offering dual enrollment opportunities, and then focus on supporting successful transition back to comprehensive sites. Next, we have a traditional independent study setting where kids meet with a credentialed teacher 2 times a week, and they are also welcome on campus at any time to develop skills for connection and student leadership and elective opportunities.
Y'all have made me excited about life again and planning out a future I never thought I would have. Being excited to go to school to see your teachers is officially out of character for the average high school student. I will forever cherish all of our little talks, jokes, funny moments, difficult moments, and our sad and happy times. The teachers here have been there for me when I was at a low point, and their ability to be inclusive and understanding helped to lift me up.
I was considered one of the troubled kids until I came to Shasta County Independent Study. They gave me a chance and helped me realize my potential. They didn't look at me as if I was a bad kid or troubled. They helped me grow into the young adult I am today, and for that, thank you.
It wasn't until I transferred to SCIS and met my incredible, amazing, smart, loving, hilarious teacher, Miss Christy Kidd, or as I affectionately call her, the Kid, that I felt motivated to go further. She inspired me to set the bar high, to actually push myself, and to never get up. It's because of her and all the amazing staff at this school that I stand before you today, having had a 4.0 all throughout high school, graduating 2 years early, and having been accepted to Howard University with a scholarship.